Hi folks, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. We are doing the series of parts of speech in which we have started subordinating conjunctions. So today we will be continuing with the same. So do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started. Let's see the definition of subordinating conjunction. A subordinate conjunction joins a main or an independent clause to a subordinate or dependent clause. Let's see the formula. Main clause plus subordinating conjunction plus subordinate clause. First of all, we will see as long as. So here it means time duration, it shows condition. First, you can stay here as long as you want. So here you can stay here, that is main clause, as long as. So here time duration is given, so this is subordinating conjunction, and you want, that is subordinate clause. I'll treat you well as long as you remain loyal. So here I'll treat you well, that is main clause, as long as this is condition. So this is subordinating conjunction, and you remain loyal, this is subordinate clause. Next example. I knew we wouldn't get lost as long as we had the flashlight. So here I knew we wouldn't get lost, that is main clause, as long as, that is subordinating conjunction. We had the flashlight, that is subordinate clause. Next, I will remember you as long as I live. So here I will remember you, that is main clause, as long as, that is subordinating conjunction, and I live, that is subordinate clause. Next, the meeting could be as long as 2 hours. So here meeting could be, that is main clause, as long as subordinating conjunction, 2 hours, that is subordinate clause. Next, as long as he is here, comma, he will help. So here he is here, that is subordinate clause, and he will help, that is main clause, and as long as, that is subordinating conjunction. Here it is used in the beginning of the sentence, that's why comma is needed, because we have to take slight pause. Next, they have been there as long as anyone can remember. So they have been there, that is main clause, as long as subordinating conjunction, and this anyone can remember, that is subordinate clause. Next, I'll remember that film as long as I live. So here I'll remember that film, that is main clause, as long as, that is subordinating conjunction, and I live, that is subordinate clause. Let's move to next, that is as much as. When we have to use when two things are equal in amount or degree, then we need to use this as much as. First, I ate as much as you did. Now, can you say which one is the main clause and which one is the subordinate clause and which one is the subordinating conjunction? Let's see. First, I at, that is main clause, as much as, that is subordinating conjunction, you did, that is subordinate clause. The final cost could be as much as $1 billion. So here final cost could be, that is main clause, as much as, that is subordinating conjunction, and here $1 billion, that is subordinate clause. Okay, eat as much as you wish. So here eat, that is main clause, as much as, that is subordinating conjunction, and you wish, that is subordinate clause. People don't socialize with their neighbors as much as they used to. Here comparison is mentioned. In olden days or in ancient time, people were socialized with their neighbors, whereas the same thing is not nowadays. That's why people don't socialize with their neighbors as much as they used to. That is given. So here people don't socialize with their neighbors. This is main clause, as much as subordinating conjunction, they used to, subordinate clause. I avoided him as much as possible. So here I avoided him, that is main clause, as much as subordinating conjunction, possible, that is subordinate clause. She doesn't express her emotions as much as he does. Here also this is main clause, this one is subordinating conjunction, and he does, that is subordinate clause. Relax as much as possible and keep breathing steadily. So here relax, that is main clause, as much as, that is subordinating clause, the conjunction, and this possible and keep breathing steadily, that is subordinate clause. Let's do exercise. Choose proper conjunctions from the brackets. Okay, 4 sentences are given with brackets. You have to choose appropriate conjunctions. Your time starts now. Hope you have completed. Let's check answers. First, there is unity, there is strength. So as long as and as much as is given. Both are given in the bracket. So what will you write here? As long as. Here that is the correct answer. Next, he earns, she does. So he earns as much as she does. Next, take, you like. Take as much as you like. The car will keep running. You take good care of it. So here the car will keep running as long as you take good care of it. Hope you understood well. All these things are very helpful in IELTS, TOEFL, SAT and GRE. So you have to do it thoroughly. In my next video, you will see the same subordinating conjunctions with different. So do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.